Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vaishnavi Pathania and today's video is going to be fun. One, because it's a haul, and two, that it is a Sarojini Nagar haul. I personally enjoy watching Sarojini Nagar hauls on YouTube, and I think I've watched over 50 of them, and I seriously enjoy watching them a lot. So I thought I'd do my own. Since I was in Delhi last month, I want to say, I think on 29th or 30th December, and I did have a short visit to Sarojini Nagar. Though it was super crowded because it was a Saturday, and it was super duper duper crowded. I cannot even tell you, because we were literally moving in a line. So I did not get a lot of stuff, but I did get a few of it. And actually I decided that I will not buy a lot of things, because usually in Sarojini Nagar, since the prices are so low and you can get such trendy stuff over there, I usually end up buying a lot of stuff, and then I do not end up wearing it for whatever reasons. I do not get the occasions to wear it, or they're just lying in my cupboard, because there are so many of the Sarojini Nagar clothes that I usually get. But this time I had made up my mind. I made a conscious decision of buying only things that I know that I will end up using, and they will just not be there in my cupboard, because I did not want to waste my money. And yeah, and just because just getting things for the sake of the haul did not make sense to me, so I really thought that I'd get only the stuff that I really wanted. Though I could have gotten a little more stuff, but since it was so crowded, there was no place to actually check out the shops and the clothes and all of that. So I picked up the bare minimum that I really needed. And yeah, and I think I've said a lot and the intro has become super long. So without any further delay, let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I got from Sarojini Nagar, like literally, is this scarf. Now this scarf is basically like a stole. Yeah, it's like a stole size scarf, and it is like a thick material woolen scarf. So I got this for my mom actually, but then I think I'm the one who's using it more. But yeah, and it is super warm. I got it for I think 200. It was like those racks where the price is fixed, उसमें से उठाया था, so I couldn't really bargain on it, though I wish it was for like 100 or 150. But nonetheless, this is super warm, so I was not very unhappy about the price actually. I've used it like 2 or 3 times while traveling, and this is actually very warm and keeps you warm and cozy throughout your traveling hours. So yeah, I got this, and I got this in a brown neutral tone, because there was this pink color too, but then I thought that this is a classic, and it goes with everything like Western or Indian and all of that. So I did get a brown and black gray kind of scarf, and it is super warm. So yeah, first thing is this. The next thing that I got are these pair of socks, like the cute warm fuzzy pair of socks. They are so soft, I cannot even explain how soft these are. And I got 2 pairs of this. I think I got this 100 for 2 pairs, so like 50 each. And yeah, I got this in like a baby blush pink, not blush pink, it's actually a baby pink, pastel pink kind of color. These are super comfortable and super warm, and they actually keep my feet warmer than the hand woven socks that my mom's made. They actually help better. I don't know how and why, but yeah. And the second pair that I got are these Christmas socks. Like, Christmas is my favorite festival and time of the year. So I had to get these, because Christmas and me are like a match made in heaven. So I got these. So the next thing that I got is a grey sweater. It is basically a long sweater. It comes right below your ass, and it's got a turtleneck. Not exactly a turtleneck, like half turtleneck. Something like this, like what I'm wearing. It'll come till here. And I am really into those kind of necklines lately, especially for winters. And as a kid, I used to hate high necks and turtleneck sweaters or anything, even inners, high neck and everything. My mom used to make me wear them. And I literally used to hate, because I always thought that I can't breathe and I used to pull the neck down. But somehow, you know, as I've grown up to like the turtlenecks and the high necks, and so I got this because I think they look pretty classy according to me. Like you don't have to try much, you know, after wearing a turtleneck. So yeah, it's got like a high neck and then full sleeves, and it's pretty long. It's a gray sweater, and yeah, it's pretty good to I actually got it for, you know, wearing it inside the house. But then when I came and checked this out properly, the material is pretty soft and it's warm and it's good. It doesn't look old or worn out. So I thought I might just, you know, wear it with warm leggings and boots, and yeah, you can actually go out with this. So the next thing that I got was this sweater. Okay, so the next thing that I have here with me is this huge ass jacket. I know it's not gonna fit the frame, but I'll just take you through it. It's a warm furry white jacket with like khaki green detailing over here and green sleeves, and then you have some navy blue detailing here with golden hardware, and I love it. I mean, like, it's such a daytime warm jacket, and literally it is so warm. I've used it like 2-3 times already, and this is so warm. Like, all I have to wear is a t-shirt inside, no inners, no sweaters, nothing at all, just a t-shirt, and I put this on over that and I am warm. Like, and trust me, I live in a cold place where the temperature goes down to 0 1 degree, and yeah, like the maximum temperature is 8 or 9 degrees here in winters, like if it's bright and sunny. So yeah, this is very warm. Like I just have it on top of me right now. I'm not even wearing it and I feel very warm already. And this is from Style Benetton, which is, I think, the premium label of Benetton. That's what it says here. And it's from the women's fall winter 2012 collection. So it looks pretty authentic and it's really nice. And plus the detailing here, like you can actually tighten the waistline area using this. And I mean, like, the detailing and the hardware is pretty nice. I mean, like, doesn't look cheap at all, and it's super warm, and I just got for 300 rupees. I think the guy was quoting around 750 or 800 for this, but then I asked him for 300 and he was ready to give it. And though I look like a polar bear in this because it's so puffy, and yeah, I legit look like a bear in this. But then, you know, it's winters and living in a cold place, I really don't care if I look like a bear or, you know, anything else. I just want to keep myself warm. So this jacket was really nice, and I think it looks pretty nice and classy in, you know, when you have to wear it during the day. So yeah, that's about it. So the next thing that I have with me is actually the second last thing. I think, yeah, it's the second last thing that I have with me here. So these are the grey checkered pants. These are not narrow fit, but they're not even like flared pants, but you know, the loose straight fit, like the vintage fit. So yeah, and they fit me actually very well from the waist. I don't know what brand this is. It says La Mer, but I've never heard of that brand. And it says something in Chinese, I think, or Korean or somewhere. So might be just from there. But anywho, this actually fits me really well from the waist, or just like a tad bit loose, like half an inch, I would say. But nothing that I can't work with. They actually fit me really well, and you know, I think I look pretty nice in this. I mean, like, with a pair of boots and all. These are a really classy pair of trousers, and plus they're woolen, so I actually don't have to wear anything underneath it. I prefer wearing these kind of things during winters because, you know, in denims, they're not really warm. They don't keep you warm. So with these, since these are woolen, they will actually keep your legs really warm. So yeah, I got this, and these are really nice pair of pants and I love them. Okay, so the last thing that I have with me is probably the cutest thing that I've ever gotten from Sarojini Nagar. I think this is like the star purchase of this haul, and I love it. Actually, we're just moving out of Sarojini Nagar from the last lane, I think. Yeah, we're just coming out and I spotted this, and then I instantly remember that I was actually looking for something like this online, but I did not really find anything like it. The ones that I found online were not really a good material, and they were actually the bathrobes. The ones I wanted are like these warm fuzzy robes that keep you warm if you have to just get out of bed to get something from the kitchen and you don't have to wear your sweater or anything of that sort. You can just pop this on and move around the house, and it is super cute, guys. Just check it out. Like the print, it's like this baby blue kind of color, not the periwinkle blue, like a typical baby blue color with animal print on it. And I love it. I mean, like, it is so soft. It is, I think, the softest thing that I own right now. And yeah, I love it. It actually keeps me warm. It's not very very thick, but since it's like the fleece material, I don't know if it's called fleece or what, but yeah, this material actually keeps you warm. It does not let any air pass through it, so it keeps you warm. And it is super cute. I mean, like, and it's got a hood. Like, what else do you need when you're inside your house? You can just lounge around in this and look all cute and teddy bearish. And yeah, so I got this was, I think, only for 300 rupees, if I remember. I could have bargained. I think he quoted 350 only, or 300, but I think he quoted 300 and I got it for 300 because firstly I needed it very much. I really wanted like an overcoat, what do you call it, like a robe. I really wanted a robe to roam around inside the house, and plus we were already getting late. We had to reach back home. So this was the last thing that I got, and I actually thank my gods that, you know, I could actually spot this in the crowd that was there on a Saturday. So yeah, this was this, and yeah, with that I've come to the end of the haul. But I think I forgot to tell you the price of these trousers. These were for, I think, 250, 150 or 250. I think 150. Yeah, I think he was quoting 350 or 400 for this, and I got them for 150. And I think really for 150 something like this is a steal. So yeah, I think I've completed the haul. And I know that is not a lot of stuff, but these are the things that I know that I've actually used all of it except that grey sweater, I think, which I'm yet to use. But I'm pretty happy about the things that I got, and I'm pretty happy that there's no such thing in this haul that will just be lying inside my cupboard and I will not end up using. So I will also, you know, give this suggestion to anybody who is watching that Sarojini Nagar is a great place. You will get really cheap stuff, and if your bargaining skills are like pretty good, then you will get a lot of good stuff at a very less price. But make sure that you don't end up buying a lot of things just because they are cheap and they look nice. Also keep in mind the place where you stay in, or you know, the kind of occasions that you normally have in your day-to-day life, so you end up wearing all of this stuff and not wait like, oh my god, उस event पे या you know ऐसी जगह पे मैं ये पहनूंगी, because usually that never happens and they just lie around in your cupboard. So that's like sheer wastage of money. So yeah, I think I've said a lot in this video, and with that my Sarojini Nagar haul is done. I will come back soon with another video, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.